Good Monday afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us. Let's get right to it. We've got a lot to go over this afternoon on what I'm calling a double whammy first alert weather day. We've got excessive heat and the chance for severe thunderstorms fairly scattered across our region later today. But let's start with temperatures. 91 degrees in Fargo. We are seeing a bit of sunshine, but you can see in the sky cam in the background here at our Home of Economy location in Devil's Lake, some rain coming down with some thunder showers. In Fargo, feels like 94. Thankfully, not nearly as windy as the last few days. That wind out of the southwest at 10 miles per hour. Moorhead currently at 91 as well. But check out the Southern Valley, 95 sizzling degrees in Sisseton, 90 in Detroit Lakes and Wadena, 88 in Grand Forks, 89 in Thief River and Bemidji, 92 up in Baudette. We're cooler off to the west with some rain-cooled air, but check out these heat index values. Many of us already feeling well into the 90s. We do have showers and thunderstorms, as I was just mentioning, through the far western edge of Stutsman County, up through Foster, Eddy, Benson, and Ramsey counties, and then up into Cavalier area as well. These are non-severe, but lots of thunder and lightning with these, and the potential for some brief heavy rain. This is not the severe weather we're talking about, but we are talking about the potential for two kind of separate rounds of severe weather this afternoon. The earlier round, the initial developing storms, have the greatest risk for large hail, and that's when we'll be watching for the potential for some tornadoes. Later storms that will be developing later tonight primarily pose a damaging wind threat, and with all the storms, locally heavy rain and flash flooding is possible. So stepping through your hour by hour, these showers and storms will gradually lift to the north and east. Then during the heat of the day, I'm thinking around 5-6 o'clock, you see these storms bubble up right through the Central Valley. This will be ahead of a cold front. This is the time frame when we'll be watching for that largest hail and the possibility for tornadoes. That continues right around through your dinner time hour before additional storms start to develop later tonight from the west. And these are the ones that will pose that damaging wind threat. But you can see how widely spread they will be across the region. Not everyone everywhere is going to see severe weather, but many of us definitely have that chance for today. And that continues through the early overnight hours before gradually moving out by around 2 to 3 in the morning, and then we clear out by your Tuesday. Here's a look at the tornado risk. It has been increased. We have a low to isolated threat for tornadoes, so 1 or 2 tornadoes is a possibility for today. As for hail, we have an elevated to enhanced risk for some large hail. The most significant hail, potentially larger than 2 inches, is going to be in the black hatched area. So that's where we will be watching later this afternoon. And the wind threat, a large area in an enhanced risk for significant wind gusts. We could see those gusts over 75 miles per hour later this afternoon and evening. So let's wrap it all up in your 7-day forecast. We got to get through this first alert weather day, but this severe threat is going to break our heat. We're talking 80s for the summer solstice, which is tomorrow. Temperatures finally falling back into the 80s, but it will be windy. We do have a couple more 90-degree days on the horizon, JC, and chance for some showers and storms through the upcoming weekend.
Thank you. You'll want to keep that VNL weather app handy throughout today and the rest of the week.
Absolutely.
Thank you.